Today I'm going to show you every way possible to get traffic to your website. I am going to show you the traffic generating system that is currently driving over 180,000 people to my website every single month. And there's so much traffic that Alexa ranks our website in the top 15,000 of all websites globally. And to prove to you that this is not just beginner's luck, we created a separate business, LYFE Accounting, and that website is already generating 5,000 hits per month. And the best part about all of this traffic is that most of it is completely free and organic. That's why today I'm motivated to share with you every way possible to generate traffic to your website, including organic and paid traffic. Hey everyone, Sherman here at LYFE Marketing, your favorite agency for small business marketing. If you're new to our channel, then you definitely want to hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any content that can help you grow your business. All right, so let's go ahead and cut the intro talk and talk traffic instead. Here is every way to get traffic to your website. If we look at Google Analytics, we will find that there are 7 or 8 major channel groups that traffic comes from: social media, referral sites, paid search, organic search, email, display, and direct traffic. On the absolute highest level, this is every way you can get traffic to your website. Of course, you can drill this down to specific websites, which we'll get into in just a moment. But in general, if you can just be exceptional at just one of these channels, you can get explosive traffic to your website. For example, our accounting YouTube channel had over 89,000 views in just 28 days, which ended up resulting in a lot of traffic, leads, and customers for our business. So to help you figure this out for your business, let's drill down into each of these major traffic channels and discuss how you can use these channels to get traffic to your website quickly. And by the way, if any of this helps you, let me know by clicking the like button below. All right, number 1, social media. The fastest way to get traffic on social media is going to be through paid advertising. You can literally create an ad, target it, and start driving traffic immediately to your website. For example, we created some Facebook ads for one of my clients and they drove 365 immediate clicks from Facebook, which led to 152 sales and over $15,000 in revenue. Same thing for YouTube. When we first started this channel, we paid for some YouTube ads to gain immediate visibility to our content. Once we started gaining some subscribers, we dialed back the YouTube ads, and now we hardly run them at all. When you create any type of content on social media, you have to make sure people see it. And the fastest way to do this is always going to be through paid advertising. And then eventually there's this snowball effect. People you advertise to will start following you and sharing your content. And even better, your content might perform so well that it ranks inside of the social media platform that you're publishing within. For example, your content could show up on the Discover page of Instagram or as the top tweet on Twitter. As these things start to happen, you can dial back on advertising and start to enjoy the organic side of social media. And once you achieve organic social media traction, then your return on investment becomes even higher because now you're no longer paying for traffic. However, the only way you can achieve organic growth is through creating valuable content. If you want to learn how to do this, then check out my video on marketing on social media. But in short, you need to create content that people see, like, and act on. And when you're just getting started on social media, choose no more than 2 platforms. It's better to do 1 or 2 platforms very well than to do 5 of them half-heartedly. We all know the top social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. So choose 2 of these platforms and give it everything you've got. By the way, if you want an in-depth analysis of each social media platform to help you choose the best for your business, then watch my video on the best social media platforms for business. All right, let's move on to the second major traffic channel. Number 2, referral sites. There's much more to the internet than just social media. You can use referral sites to drive substantial traffic to your website. But wait, what are referral sites? Referral sites are just sites that have referred visitors to your website by clicking a link. For example, here's a feature that Inc. magazine just did for us, which included a link to our website in it. Inc. Magazine would be the referral website responsible for driving traffic to our website. Now for your business, you can start getting referral traffic from business directories, public forums, and guest blogs. So let's quickly discuss each of these. Business directories. You should start by making sure that you're listed in major directories relevant to your business. For example, a restaurant might make sure that they're listed on things like Yelp and OpenTable, and contractors might make sure that they're listed on HomeAdvisor, Angie's List, and Thumbtack. You should make a list of every place your customers might discover a business like yours and make sure you are present on those platforms. You can even take it a step further by sponsoring your listing to appear higher in these directories, which may result in even higher amounts of referral traffic. All right, the next source of referral traffic is public forums. The next thing you can do to get referral traffic to your website is to participate in public forums. For example, Quora is a hotspot for referral traffic. You can highlight a specific industry and answer questions that people have that may be relevant to your business. Inside your responses, you can include helpful links, like to a blog on your website, which might start resulting in a bunch of referral traffic. Quora, Reddit, and even Yahoo Answers are popular public forums. And these same strategies might also work on social media sites like Facebook groups and LinkedIn groups. And the last major source of referral traffic can come from guest posting. The third tactic you can implement to get referral traffic is to guest post. This is where you find popular blogs in your industry and offer to contribute to their blog for free. They get free content, you get free exposure. Inside of your guest content, include quality links that link back to your website. Then, as people read blogs on these popular websites, they will naturally click on links that you included in your content. These links not only drive traffic to your website, but also helps the next major traffic channel, which is number 3, organic search. Organic search is by far the most effective way to get traffic to your website. Organic search refers to free traffic that you can get from search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing. For example, if I search for Atlanta Landscaping Company, these results show up. If you secure a top position for a keyword with high volume search traffic, then a lot of that traffic will be directed to your website. For example, our accounting company have earned the #1 position for several keywords in our industry just by writing blogs. And you can do the exact same thing for your business. All you have to do is make your website Google friendly by meeting their best practices. And these best practices are not a secret. You can literally go to Google Search Central to learn more about the best practices you need to follow in order to make your website discoverable to Google Search. And once your website meets those best practices, you need to start sending signals to Google that indicate that their searchers are finding the information that they are seeking on your website. Backlinks and site metrics like time on site, bounce rate, and click-through rates are examples of signals that you might want to take a look at. Now, I should warn you that achieving high positions in organic search can take up to 6 to 12 months, even if you're doing everything correctly. And while organic search is very effective, it can be very slow to work. So to speed things up, let's move on to the 4th channel for people who may want to bypass this. Number 4, paid search. Paid search is the fastest way to get traffic from search engines. Paid search refers to running ads on search engines to get traffic. For example, when I search recruiting firm on Google, I immediately see 3 Google ads at the top of the search results. These companies are paying to appear at the top of the search results. They are paying somewhere around $8.42 per click for this exact phrase. And each keyword phrase varies in cost based on its overall competition level. But regardless, it represents a very fast and effective way to get traffic to your website. So to get started with paid search, you need to create a Google Ads account. And before you start running ads, I suggest getting certified in Google Ads first. Certifications are completely free, and without it, you can easily waste your money. All right, number 5, Display. Display is another form of paid traffic that can pump up your website traffic. Display traffic is traffic that found your website by clicking on an ad that you ran on another website. For example, here's a display ad that H&R Block is running on an article I just found on Business Insider. These type of display ads work great for bringing people back to your website. For example, if someone viewed the pricing page of your website, you can run an ad targeting them on other websites that they are visiting. This helps your business stay top of mind, get more traffic, and even increases your chances of getting more sales. Now, let's take a look at a low-cost way to stay in touch with your recent website visitors. Number 6, email. Email marketing is arguably the most cost-effective way to keep traffic coming back to your website. The people who subscribe to your email list are normally the group of people who are the most engaged with your business. And the cost of email software is negligible when compared to the associated returns. We've sent single emails that resulted in thousands of dollars in ROI for some of our clients. You can use an email tool like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign to start sending emails weekly or monthly to your email list. And these days, you can set up fully automated email campaigns that work without you even having to lift a finger. All right, so that's email. Now let's move on to number 7, direct traffic. Direct traffic occurs when a visitor comes to your website without clicking on a link from another website. In other words, they arrive to your website by typing your website URL directly into their website browser. Now here's what you need to know. Direct traffic can be the result of a number of things. It can be people who saw your business in print media, TV, or heard it on the radio. It can be someone who interacted with your business on their mobile device that later used another device like their computer to visit your website. It could also be returning visitors, people who have already visited your website before and are returning back for more information and hopefully buying something. Anyway, I like to think of direct traffic as a direct result of brand awareness. The more direct traffic you have, the more awareness your business has. For example, something that personally excites me about LYFE Marketing is that we're currently getting 22,000 direct hits per month to our website. And something else really cool is that 1,900 people are searching for our exact name every month on Google. This tells me that our brand is growing and more people are learning about us in the market. So use your direct traffic as an indirect way of measuring the impact of your overall branding and marketing strategy. All right, everybody. So at this point, I've given you every single way you can get traffic to your website on the internet. Again, those things were social media, referral sites, paid search, organic search, email, display, and direct traffic. Let me know if I'm missing anything in the comments below. And if this video helped you at all, help me out by clicking that like button below. I'll see you all in the next episode.